Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, where I teach you how to create high-quality, engaging content for YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to boost engagement in your quiz videos using the best sound effects and background music. You might have noticed that channels like QuizBlitz and MonkeyQuiz are performing exceptionally well. A big reason behind their success is the use of professional quality sound effects that hook viewers and keep them engaged throughout the video. When a video has good sound, it increases the retention time of your audience. And when retention time goes up, YouTube's algorithm promotes your content to more viewers, ultimately boosting your views and subscribers. In this video, I'll cover the best sound effects to use in quiz videos, where to download high-quality, royalty-free sounds. But before we move ahead, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. I publish high-quality tutorials on YouTube automation, quiz video tips, and Canva hacks once or twice a month to help you grow your channel. Now, let's get started. Why sound effects matter for quiz videos? Sound effects do more than just fill silence. They grab attention, hook your audience within the first few seconds, create emotional impact, add excitement, suspense, or humor to your content. Increase retention and watch time. Engaging sound effects keep viewers watching longer, signaling YouTube to push your content to a wider audience. When viewers enjoy your content, they are more likely to like, comment, and share, boosting your channel's growth. Now that you know why sound is so important, let's move on to where you can find the best royalty-free sound effects. Best websites to download. Royalty-free sound effects. Pixabay offers thousands of free, high-quality sound effects. Pros: easy to use, free to download, and no attribution required. Best for game notifications, transition effects, and UI sounds. Click on the play button to preview. If you find the effect suitable, click on the download button to save it to your local device. Freesound has a large collection of community-uploaded sound effects. Pros: wide variety of sounds, including ambience, action effects, and Foley sounds. Cons: some sounds require attribution, so check the license carefully. Best for background ambience, footsteps, door creaks, and environmental sounds. Just create your account and download required sound. You can also check Mixkit, Zapsplat, and YouTube Audio Library. These are having a collection of free sound effects and background music. Top 10 sound effects to use for quiz videos on YouTube. If you're creating quiz videos like QuizBlitz or MonkeyQuiz, adding the right sound effects can take your videos to the next level. Here are the top 10 sound effects that work best for quiz videos. Correct answer. Sound a satisfying ding or chime that instantly signals when the user gets the correct answer. Best usage. After revealing the correct answer. Wrong answer. Buzzer. A sharp, attention-grabbing buzzer sound to indicate an incorrect response. Best usage. Immediately after an incorrect answer or time runs out. Countdown timer. Ticking, a ticking sound that creates urgency as the timer winds down. Best usage. During the countdown for answering questions. Notification. Bell A light bell sound to indicate the start of a new question or segment. Best usage. Transitioning between quiz rounds. Timer end alarm. A buzzer or alarm that signals the end of the timer. Best usage. When time is up, letting the audience know it's time to move on. Other sound effects include cheering crowd sound, game over sound, suspense build-up sound, whoosh transition effect, and background ambience or soft music. Simply search for these terms on Pixabay to download and use them in your videos. There you have it. Now you know where to find the best sound effects for your quiz videos and how to add them seamlessly to enhance viewer engagement. Pro tip: consistency in sound quality can elevate your videos and increase audience retention, helping you grow faster on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more valuable content on YouTube automation, video editing tips, and growth strategies. And let me know in the comments which sound effect you'll be using in your next quiz video. Subscribe now, and let's make your quiz videos stand out. Bullseye.